everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a stunning 1968 Plymouth GTX. Beautiful car, guys. It's got less than 300 miles on a professional body-up restoration. I actually bought this car from a buddy of mine out of Arkansas who owns a restoration shop. Matter of fact, I bought his Roadrunner last year at this same time when he started on this car. Super cool car, true GTX, factory SS1, Sunfire yellow. It's got the matching numbers 440 underneath the hood. I love the look of this car. He's put, those are American Racing, 17-inch billet wheels on it that look like the old style Magnums. All new rubber. Just a killer car. He had a disc brakes, vintage air. Gorgeous car, man. I love the look of this car. It sits good, runs and drives excellent. That's what he said. This is a driver. His Roadrunner was a hot rod. He said this is a, turn the key, take it to the car show. If it's hot out, roll the windows up, turn the air on car. Pretty car though, man. Great looking car. And he really knows how to build a car, man. He does a nice job. You can see it's got the original grill here, so you can kind of nitpick some of the trim. Paint is slick as can be. New bumpers. Pretty paint. He can really lay down some paint. Bugs on the top there that we missed. Glass is nice, vinyl top's in great shape. I noticed a couple little wrinkles in it as I walked around it. Rear glass is nice. Body seams are nice. It's just a pretty car. Look how nice that tail panel is. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, brand new rubber. Car sounds good. He did say he added a 6-pack cam to it. So it's got a little lobe to the camshaft. I love 68 marker lights. Super cool wheels. This little bug on the side, guys. If you see anything there. Upgraded the front disc brakes. This car's just got a good look to it. Again, does have the matching numbers engine in it. Said less than 300 miles since he got the car done. 750 Edelbrock AVS carb on it, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. Said it's got 10-to-1 pistons in it. He also said he added the 6-pack cam, so it's got a little lobe to it. Can't remember, he told me what radiator this is. That's actually an aluminum radiator. It says they're awesome. It had one in a Roadrunner as well, and they just keep these things cool as a cucumber. Power steering, power front disc brakes, electronic ignition, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Again, he's added vintage AC. It blows cold. Posted a picture online of that as well. Factory SS1, Sunfire yellow. Really just a nice car, guys. Dash is nice. You can nitpick a little bit of that A-pillar chrome. Still pretty doggone nice. Factory mirror. They've replaced the door handles. Door rubbers look like they're all new. I think the front seat covers are new. I think the rears are original. Just a little dust, guys. Factory bucket seats with a buddy seat. Headliner's really nice. It's showing, you know, 9467 on the odometer. Mike said that's probably 109. Aftermarket tach, got aftermarket radio, got some aftermarket gauges mounted under there. Steering wheel's really nice. Of course, dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear end. If I remember right, he said they did put a new trunk pan in the car when they restored it. They also put new quarters on the car. So it's kind of cool the way he did the trunk. He's done it all in hammer coat, which is pretty cool. So, you know, these rubber mats hold moisture, and so that'll hold up. Factory jack with a bias ply spare. Like I say, just a really nice car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Watch that website. I think we got 6 coming in today, so make sure you watch that website, man. You know, a lot of guys are waiting for certain cars to come in. You call and want to be notified. It's just we get so many of those calls, we just can't do it. Looks like the original sill plates. I like this car, man. This is just a good Mopar. The seats are really nice. Dash is real nice on this car. Again, steering wheel's nice. Go ahead, Jordy. Yeah, nice little cam to it. Car's got a good sound. See, Jordy just kicked your air on. It blows ice cold. Little belt squeaking. Check that. Tighten that up. I got it, Jordo. One hand. This one's not too bad. Man, is this a nice car. Fuel gauge works. I think they're kind of running all the tach. Tach does work. The belt's squeaking on there. I remember it doing that. Backup lights, yep, they work. Well, that car sounds good. It's got all your aftermarket, you know, your temp gauge, oil pressure gauge, everything's down there. Aftermarket radio works. It's got the newer switches for the AC, which works. Wipers are functional. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Click the little button here at the bottom. That way you can get notified every time I post one of these videos. What a nice car, man. Car just pops to me, man. I love the look of this car.